2019 Ford Fiesta crank nose start. Had a code for the starter. It was kind of getting flooded. First thing, I checked the spark plugs. They were wet. Then I was thinking a couple reasons, either cat or something is up with the gas. Unscrew the oxygen sensor. Then I would kind of check the spark, check the pulse. I did not like the pulse, but actually the pulse was kind of weird. But just to try, I pressurized the rail with a clean gas, and it started catching without oxygen sensor, but it would not run completely. It would kind of kind of catch but not run. So then, been lots of dancing around, unplugged the cam sensors, and didn't see it. I was thinking it's something electrical. Started checking all the wires, grounds, and blah blah blah. Then when I was looking for a crank sensor, I noticed something. A crankshaft pulley from the junkyard. And guess what I noticed inside? So my guess that the old something happened here and somebody swapped out the pulley, and this engine does not have the keyway. So if you're doing this if you're swapping out the pulley, you need to have a special tool to lock it in place and kind of understand what you're doing. Honestly, I don't have a special tool, but I figured the cams are gonna be right where they were supposed to be. So I turned the pistons down halfway, then I turned the cams. They got two marks here, kind of line them up in top position. Then I raised the number one piston just using something top that center, and I tightened it up, and of course after that I turn it by hands. Now this is how it runs. Maybe. No, check engine light. Well, I'm not gonna run it any longer. Let's scan it. Well. Oh, what is it complaining about? Okay, front display interface, rear camera. We don't have a belt, no generator, so it's not complaining about timing marks yet, but I have no idea if I got them in the specs, whatever. But if they wanna fix it, we need to get timing belt kit, new bolt, new timing cover, and then I have to get a special tool and and do it. But just to check the motor, if it runs, it runs. So I did have a feeling that this was something stupid and mechanical, and it is, thanks to somebody who swapped out the pulley. Well, this is the fix. Alright, thanks. Like and subscribe.